back to another deadbolt upgrade video. Basically what we're doing is converting everything over from plastic to metal. And in this video right here, we are going to put this KYX aluminum battery tray on the deadbolt. Try and gain a little bit of weight out of this. As you can see, I have plenty of other things to add to this deadbolt. And I have more on the way as well. But let's get started with this battery tray. So this is aluminum, has a really nice machined edge to it, and then you get the side pieces to mount to the chassis. So let's get started. Now you don't have to take the body off to do this, but I am, just so it doesn't keep falling down on me while I'm filming. There we go, that opens it up a little bit better. Now I can get to the battery tray. So now we have to assemble this tray. It goes just like the stock one. You have your longer ones up front here, and then your shorter ones in the back. Okay, we are gonna do a quick weigh in on the stock battery tray. We got 2 grams, and then the KYX aluminum. Ooh, we added 4 times the amount of weight. Oh, there it settled out at 9 grams. It's kind of bouncing back and forth. A pretty substantial gain there. So let's get this on the deadbolt. So that's it. It only takes a couple minutes to do. It's nothing visual, you can't really see it, but it does add quite a bit of weight versus the stock one. When this first started stock, it was 8.1 ounces. Then I added the hot racing front bumper and rear bumper, and it went to 8.3 ounces. Let's see what adding the battery tray will give us. So 8.5 now. So we went from 8.1 stock to 8.5, adding just a few things. So one of the main reasons I'm doing these upgrades is because I'm trying to climb a 50-degree angle. I tried to climb a 100-foot dam with this, and it immediately just fell on its back as soon as it got on the wall. I have this set at 50 degrees, so it's the same angle as the dam, but now this is plywood, so the grip might be a little different. There we're sticking. So far I only climbed 47 degrees on this. So let's test it at 50. Okay, so it still can't climb 50 degrees. This plywood's pretty rough, so it's probably similar grip to the concrete wall. So we still have to keep adding more to this to get that center of gravity lowered. So thanks for watching this video on the install of the KYX aluminum battery tray. Click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos on the full metal upgrades that I'm going to be doing to this Axial SCX24 Deadbolt.